In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text to small letters or capital letters in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet handy skill that can help you improve the look and consistency of your presentations. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening PowerPoint on your computer. If you have your presentation ready, go ahead and open that as well. If not, take a moment to create a new presentation so you can follow along. Now, once you have PowerPoint up and running, locate the presentation that you'll be working on today. Next, you'll need to identify the slide containing the text you want to modify. Click on that slide and look for the specific text box that holds your text. Click inside this text box. Doing so will highlight the text and allow you to edit it. With the text box selected, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. The Home tab is your general go-to for most basic formatting tools and options that PowerPoint offers. Within this tab, look for the Font section. It's here that you'll find various tools to alter the appearance of your text, such as font style, size, and effects. In the Font section, you'll find a small button that looks like two A's, each in different cases. This is the Change Case button. It's a very useful feature that allows you to quickly switch between different text cases without needing to retype or mess with individual letters manually. Click on the Change Case button. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting you with several options. The focus for today is on two options, lowercase and uppercase. If you select lowercase, the entire selected text will convert to small letters, making it perfect for adding a softer, more relaxed tone to your content. On the other hand, choosing uppercase will transform the text into capital letters, ideal for emphasizing headings or making text stand out more prominently. After you've made your choice, review your text to ensure it displays exactly as you intended. Remember, these changes can be easily reversed, so feel free to experiment to find the aesthetic that best suits your presentation needs. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to change the text to small letters or capital letters in PowerPoint. It's a small skill, but one that can make a significant impact on your presentation's clarity and effectiveness. With this newfound knowledge, you can ensure your slides are as persuasive and visually appealing as possible. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your presentation skills. Until next time, happy presenting.